This is not just an RC boat, it's a mission. A mission to create the simplest, most beginner-friendly RC model the make world has ever seen. Okay, I'm joking. Today I'm gonna show you how I designed this little RC boat. And guess what? You can build it too. I designed it so that each part feels together like Lego without glue or tools. Just print, snap and go. It's very simple actually. You need only these 11 3D printed parts. Alright, let's talk about electronics. You will need just 4 basic components, plus a transistor and receiver with at least 2 channels. The biggest one is the hull. It takes around 100 grams of filament and yes, it fits even on a tiny 18 by 18 centimeters print bed. Okay, so the first part is probably the most technical. You will need to solder the connector to the motor. Nothing crazy, just 2 wires. Make sure the cable from the connector to the motor is about 40 to 40 millimeters long. If you want, you can also cut off the little switch on the ESC and just connect the 2 cables together. You don't really need the switch here, the boat turns on when you plug the battery. Now let's mount the rudder onto the servo and use the tiny screws that usually comes in the servo package. That's all you need to hold in place. Alright, now drop the servo into the back of the boat. It fits snug. Later, when you put the motor stand in, it will press everything together and hold it tight. Let's keep going. Snap the motor into the engine bed and hand at the top cover. That's amazing sound. The propeller goes straight on the shaft. And yeah, I push it with one hand. Oh look, I show something now. Okay, now place the ESC into the side area. The cable to the battery goes forward and one for the motor stays in the back. Okay, time to place the motor stand. Don't forget to pull the connector through before you lock it. Then screw it in using the 3D printer screws. You can also use the small tool that comes in the STL package. Take 2 small printer parts. They go together to make the cabin lock. It's a simple but effective little mechanism. Now it's time to plug the receiver. Just place inside the cabin and connect to servo and motor cables. Next up, the battery. You will need a small 2-cell battery about 30 grams in weight. If you have thick fingers like me, use a 25 screwdriver to push it. Final checks. Make sure the propeller spins the right way. If not, just swap the motor cables or reserve it in transistor. and test the rudder. It shouldn't hit the hull when turning. By the way, you can be the first subscribe to me, and I will really happy. Thanks you. Alright, let's go test it out. Time to find some lake or river or any kind of water. Come on. Ew. Now it's the time to just sit back and watch your little creation cruise.